Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you are all doing fine. So, yeah, I have not done for quite a long time a night ride. So, the time is 7 p.m. So I thought even, I'll just check the lights. How does it work? Then, man, look at it. So I always wanted to speak something which I've noticed. There were few people I've noticed. See, this is Karnataka. We have, mainly the south I'm talking about. So Karnataka, I'll tell you where places I've been. I was in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, then in Karnataka. Now, I've always seen there is an issue when it comes to Tamil and Kannada. It is mostly few people, they have uploaded videos like that which has segregated, these kind of things. First and foremost, the government. Man, such corrupted people in this world, they have, brought hatred to this world. Okay, so they are the first one who brought this Kaveri issue. Kannada, Tamil, they segregated like anything. Okay, then there were few people who started posting videos where Tamilians coming to Kannada and with the flags they're going, then Kannada guys going to Tamil Nadu and going with the flags, they're getting stopped. Man, all unnecessary things. This is just stirring hatred. Man, I don't know what to say, guys. Trust me, I am not happy with this. See, I've been here in Karnataka, Bangalore especially. My car is TN registration. I did have some bad experience, not with anyone else, especially with the cab drivers. I don't blame them, yeah. There are few people who posted videos like that. They have planted that hatred. So, if someone even one day, one guy, he showed his hand, okay, telling that he'll cut me off. Okay. I just gave him a smile here. See, if I'm going to act just like him, what is the difference? So there is no point in doing such kind of things. So always, just avoid doing such kind of things. I don't know what drama is happening here. When it comes August 15, we all take the flag and, man, what pride. But come on, guys, we should fight for all these things. I always remember that movie where Surya, that Singham 1, 2, 3 and all, they were in that. Surya says, he's not Andhra police, no Karnataka police. He's an Indian police. We all should have that kind of mentality. We are Indians. Don't segregate like Karnataka. See, states are segregated, but don't segregate ourselves. We are humans. Any state you go, there are humans. Okay. So I even I watch Cherry Vlogs videos. When he came to Bangalore, I saw some comments just so surprising. I was first hurted by seeing that. In that, there were few people who were telling that, bro, welcome to Karnataka, please respect us, bro. Hariyar, what is happening? I would even tell such kind of things. The YouTubers, whoever gets such kind of things, they should address it then and there. We are the ones. If you are an influencer, you should be responsible in giving such kind of responses, telling that, see, we do not bifurcate in any sort of religion, caste, nothing. Why do we need that? So See, I'm telling you, I have a car which is TN registration in Bangalore. I had just very few incidents with especially these cab drivers. Otherwise, I never had any sort of issues. Here, I speak to people in Tamil or Malayalam. They respect that. I sometimes even I'm learning. I'm proud. My son is also learning Kannada. I'm proud. You should learn things. But when you start taking it to the whole new level, that is when all problems start coming up. I wanted to talk this a very long time, but for some reason I never thought of it. Then we are nearing to our Independence Day, so I wanted to tell this, guys. These things are the one we have to reform. No Kannada, no Malayali, no North. Don't treat anyone like that. We are all Indians. Okay, they are our brothers and sisters. We should love one another. Biking, everything is there. That is the culture. But in our culture, we should bring all these good things. And I would even say all the YouTubers. There are YouTubers, but again, few. There are only few who promotes this. Don't bring hatred. I don't care. You see, in my video, there are even few people who dislikes. See that people can dislike. They don't like the content. They can dislike. Some people, they don't like me or they don't like the topic which I spoke. They can dislike. Haters will be there everywhere. See, I used to have haters a lot. Now because my channel is just starting back, haters are slowly coming in. I'll have more. I'm happy with that. I'm proud because when haters are there only I'll get motivated. That's another thing. So yeah, guys. I always wanted to say this. So there's nothing much. There is some exciting vlogs coming up. Some rides I'm planning. So I'm just waiting for this corona stuff to reduce a bit. Because there are in some places in Karnataka itself, you are not allowed to enter in some areas. So that is the reason. So yeah. So guys, as I always say, ride safe, take care, and God bless you guys. Bye.